Hey, if you want to make grid motion background, welcome to InkSculptor, where creativity meets technology. Join us on an exciting journey as we dive into the realm of motion graphics. I am going to show you how to make. So watch full video, and you also subscribe me. Let's start. Firstly, download Alight Motion. Link in the description. Open Alight Motion. Create a project. Make sure color is black. Click this plus icon and add square. Click 3 dots and full screen it. Then, go Effect and search. Gradient Overlay. Add. Add its standard setting and edit color. Click Color 1 and select black color. Then click Color 2 and select color as you want. And go down and click Alpha, 100%, then go back. Click here, then click Duplicate Layer. Click Rectangle. Copy 1 and change color. Go to Color and Fill. Select black color, then go to Effect and remove Gradient Overlay. And add Effect. Search Grid. Add its standard setting. Click Spacing Change. It's 0.080. Then change Width, 0.002, and change Color. Select white color, then go down and turn on screen space and go back. Add Effect. Search Offset. Add its standard setting and add keyframe, first part and late part. Then click Offset and Y, change it 1 to 300. And go back. Click Blending and Opacity and go light, and select first option and go back. And your grid motion background is ready. Export it and save it. Bye, see you in the next video.